Good morning. Once again, good morning. How are you doing? Good afternoon. Good evening. What time are you watching this video? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Mr. Bet, your one and only YouTube channel and your one and only YouTuber. Thank you for the support. Thank you for showing love to me. Thank you for subscribing. Again, if you are watching this video, or actually you are in this channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Kindly subscribe. We are on the road to 1,000. Once we are at 1,000, bro, I'm telling you, please subscribe. Anyway, welcome again to this video. And our last video was about I was in Mombasa, and I showed you the house I was living in. Thank you for watching that video. Please watch this one again to the end. Yes, this time around I'm in Eldoret. Can you see that one? I'm in Eldoret, and again I want to show you this home, the home I'm living in right now. I'm in Eldoret. For those who don't know Eldoret, or actually what I'm talking about, Eldoret is one of the cities we have in Kenya. Kenya is in Africa, East Africa. Okay, for those who don't know, I understand my viewers are coming from around the world, so someone might not be in a position to understand what is Eldoret or where is Eldoret. So Eldoret is in Kenya, which is in East Africa. Understand this: Kenya is a country, and Eldoret is in Kenya, and it is one of the cities in Kenya. In Kenya we have how many cities? We now have around 4 cities. First and the biggest being Nairobi. Second one is Mombasa. We have Kisumu. We have Nakuru, and now we have Eldoret. So Kenya we have 5 cities. We have the biggest city being Nairobi, which is actually the capital city, followed by Mombasa and Kisumu, Nakuru, and Eldoret, right? 5 cities. So this is one of the cities which I'm in right now. Yes. So in this video, I'm going to show you my home again in Nairobi. My beautiful home, you can see sets. I want to show you quickly. Today is not quick. I'm not in hurry, so I'm actually going to show you place. You see how this is another 2-bedroom house. This is 2-bedroom house. The last one was 3-bedroom. So please enjoy this video. Again, remember to subscribe to this channel. Guys, I love you all. I love you. Let's support each other. Please subscribe. If you feel like you want to support this channel in any way, maybe buy me coffee or anything. Check my number in my bio, and we continue. Please, I urge you to subscribe to this channel. The only and the main support you can give me right now is to subscribe to this channel, to share, to watch this video to the end, and I will appreciate. Let's go. Yes, let me start from here, going towards that direction. Yes, this is the sitting room. You can see there's a clock right here. Can you see the sitting room? Very beautiful, very beautiful, looking nice. See the sets, sofa sets. You can see. I want you to see for yourself how beautiful it is. I don't need to explain much. You can see. Let me show you how this light is. Can you see this one? So let me do this. Wow. More light in the room. Then this one. What is this? me click this one. Wow, 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 wow. Can see? Yes, yes, yes. uh-huh. Check that one. There's this one. What is here? Yeah. More light. You can see there's a light here. There's that colored one. This one. Generally, the room is so beautiful. This is the sitting room. Let me show you outside. Before that, let me show you outside. Oh, outside. I don't want to film people. Just want to show you how outside how it looks like. Wow. Let's go in. That is outside. Very nice curtains. Can see. Now let's go this way to the rooms. Beautiful flowers. What is this one? It is a fish. I don't understand what this one is, but it is good. It's look good. Yes. I love this art. I love this one. I might not be in a position to understand the meaning of that, but I like it. We have more here. What is this? Shima safety advice warnings. What is this? Yeah, let's go inside. Let's start with the kitchen right here. This is the kitchen. Let me stand here so that you can see it well. Now, kitchen. You can see the interior. Looking good. I may not be able to describe it well, but you can see for yourself. This is a fridge. Nothing inside. This is cooker, microwave. I cooked last night. You can see I cooked last night and ate very well. That is the kitchen. Looks good generally. Yes. Please tell me what you think about this video. How do you see? Then we have a washroom right here. It's a washroom right here. Shared washroom. So someone who's living there, who's sleeping there, and people at the sitting room can use this washroom here. This is public. Can say public. There's a sink right here. Yes, this is public toilet. Let's go to this room. Before that, there is this one here. I love this art. The only thing I have problem with this because is that I don't understand the meaning. I can only see ladies here. Ladies, black. So this is Africa. This might be Africa. But the rest of the thing I don't understand. This is another room. Someone's room there. We are not going there because we respect privacy. And this is my room. Yes, this is my room. I'm actually sleeping here. Let me put on light. Yes. We have many. So this is my room. Let me start with the toilet here. Let's go in. Shower here. Let me put it. Let me open. You can see. Yes. Nice. This is the toilet and shower. Let's go here. Oh, it is not looking good. Me, I just woke up and went straight to my activities. Let me put the camera right here. Let me make my bed. It should look nice. So let me do it. Please subscribe. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe. Or actually, I should ask you if you have subscribed. Have you subscribed to this channel? Yes. I saw someone asking, what is the use of this thing? What is the use of this lining? So someone in another platform asked the meaning of this. I also do not understand. I don't understand the meaning of this one. Here. Yes, looking good now. Nice. Yo. So, actually, this is the room. You have seen the bed. Very nice looking. It is around 5 by 6. Yes, somewhere 5 by 6. I'm not sure. And then we have this one. There's a mirror right there. Closet. My clothes are there. All this, nothing. Inside is the closet. So, generally, this is how the room looks like. That one. I need to learn to interpret such things. I don't understand. For example, those are women. They look, this picture looks like they are dancing. Dancing, of course. Yes. This is outside. What else do you want to see in this room? Tell me. So, what I will request you to do is down below in the comment section, tell me something that you need me to improve. I know I'm not perfect, especially when showing you, giving you room tours. I'm not perfect. I may not be good in room touring, but we learn every day. We are learning every day. No one is perfect. We are learning every day. Every day we learn. Every day, I just realized there's a light right there. That one, you can see. This switch is putting on that light and off. At the same time, there is another switch. This central one. This one. You can see. So this main light have two switches that it was working right here. Yes. Woo. That is all. This is a 2-bedroom house. It is not big. It's not that big. Let me put on the TV right there. It's on the TV. There's a song. It's a song which says, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Something. I'm coming home to where I belong. So switch on the TV. So switch on the TV. After this, I will ensure that I listen to that song. I'm coming home. Yes. So good, my good people. I want to end this video. Thank you for watching up to this far. I appreciate. I appreciate. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Let me continue with my work here. Actually, I need to. Oh, let me. What can I do? Need to go outside. I've seen the outside. Maybe I can show you outside. Anyway, let me end this video from here. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. You can see this. Yes. Thank you for watching up to this far. And thank you for subscribing. Let me see you in another video. Of course, when you see me. Bye bye.